Hi guys. Okay. Hi.
It's Bettina and Bettina.
Ako malis siya.
Bye bye.
Ako na dito. Sapato.
Feeling any less sound. I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby town. Climbing to the top.
Today, December 11, and I just finished a day full of org work, full of preparation for CFAD week. Yeah. Finally got my digicam to work. Digicam. My, what do you call this? My handicam, I forgot what you call it. But anyway, I want to try to vlog. I'm gonna try to do videos with this. See you tomorrow. I go to school at 7 a.m. Hey guys! Ako na yung papaka-vlogger sa ako. Hey guys! Hey! Hey! Ang seryoso? Uy, ang galing, may stars. So, 11 Halloween. Hi! Wait lang. Tapos mo ang lip yung taas mo. Hi! Wala sinama. Hindi ko ang tagal mo. Hindi ko ang tagal mo. Christmas season. Hi! Wait lang, ngayon pala kami mag-meet.
This is ate.
Mikay.
Hello.
Siya si Kurt. Kurt ba tawag sa'yo? Tama. EA.
We're host script. Host practice.
Gusto mo yun nasama siya sa vlog? Sama ka sa vlog?
Hello.
Hey! Ay, na-zoom in po ata. Hi!
Oh no.
Saan ka? Okay. Bye!
So
Wait,
cute, no?
it's our friends. We record them.
Okay.
Hey! Say hi! Wait!
Camera ba yan?
Oo. Okay na ba? Stop ko na?
Hi!
No. I guess no.
It's Bettina and Bettina. I'm setup head. I'm frog head.
And I'm Talent.
Yay! He's your host.
Ay.
Hi.
Ay. Ayun na, may dadating. Juju!
Hi!
Our resident, what?
Who owns that?
Our resident Konya girl. Our vlogger.
Is that yours?
Our vlogger.
Kunin ako isang pwede.
Ba't ka makunin?
There! Keep up stuff.
Hey!
Makakanood tayo.
Yay!
Kasi yung FMO parang late daw dadating. Kinukuha na ako ni Santa. Hello!
Q! Hi!
Madami sila may mga jokes pala. Ba't naging reunion?
Q! I missed you!
Hi, vlog! Nakikita niyo po ito, Crocs. Bawal po yan. Nakikita niyo po yan. Opo. Ano?
Okay, I'll stop recording na. Say bye!
Bye!
Wait,
What
stop
in
ba?
interior?
Gago, hindi pala nagre-record ako.
Hi, guys!
Pinta! Gago! Okay, again. Hi guys, introduce.
Hi guys, I'm
So cute
Bettina.
pa naman. Yeah. I hate me.
And I'm Bettina. 2. I'm 1. Hi vlog, take 2. Thank you. Take 2.
Ang sayang, ang ganda ng shots kanina.
This is by...
Hello po.
This is
Kami
Julia,
dito, magkikiss
our
ka rin naman.
class president.
Is hello not English?
Oh my God!
Oh wait, you're president pa?
Hi!
Yeah.
You're so nice there.
Yeah.
Uy, sama kayo!
Wala siya. Hi. Umalis siya.
Already late.
Ay, bye! Late na siya, guys.
She's late.
Ano ka ba English?
He's late. He's late.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're late.
Tama na.
Okay, that's it. Bye. Titigil na pala.
Stop mo! Stop mo!
Wait lang, hindi ko alam yung pinagdating. Say hi. No, it's old. Say hi. What's that?
It's a dice.
Why are you dead?
Because it's ugly.
Documentary style.
It's ugly.
May Ariana Grande. Oh, our paper dolls. Ano, dumikit yung magnet? Yay! Jet, say hi! No.
Vlogger yan, gagi.
Shut the fuck up.
Gagi.
Okay, narrate. What's happening?
We're here sa Piato Box. Kami may gawa yan.
Pero unti lang yung contribution ko. Unti lang. Oh, shit. Ito yung leader namin. Leader, boss. Kala mo mabait eh.
Hindi yan mabait, guys.
Ano ba siya?
Plastic yan. Si Marga. Are you cute? Hindi na, tama na to.
Uy, bakit na tayo? Uy! Wow, look at the effort. Oy! Narinig mo. Hashtag, kami pa rin mas maraming ambag. Sino? Sino kaya yun?
I quit.
Oy! Mando, say hi. Hi, say hi, Bea.
Kanina lang daw nangyari.
Uy, may camera.
Excuse kami. Ako na hindi excuse. Sino? Emphasis.
I feel ko lahat tayo naka-experience na magmuni-muni ng ganyan. Ito na nga, isang performance na hindi natin malilimutan habang buhay. Let's all welcome Tuesday. Muni-muni.
Hey guys, we're gonna go sa pagkain may aso.
Hi! Wow! Hi! Hi! It's Bettina. Hi. Tapos na. Next person. Hi to the vlogger. Hi.
So we are in. Kanina pa yan eh. Humingiti lang. Jet.
Say hi.
Sabihin natin. Ha? Yes.
Para saan to? Tanga, lobat ka na.
Oy, de! Yan. We are in. Where are we? This is BG Pop.
Yeah, BG Pop. We're at BG Pop.
And
We're
then,
going to Nelly's to eat our...
Nelly's ba tawag mo?
Nelly's, yung may aso.
Oh.
Yung may aso.
Today is Saturday. It is November 11.
November 11.
And
The year of...
2023. And we're getting ready for
Wonderland. Ay, Wonderbox. Wonderbox.
Seafood Week 2023.
Yeah.
And this is Goodwill.
Yeah, and this is Badwill.
We're on the way to Pinoval, where we eat.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay,
Bye.
so this is the exit?
Bye na, be. Gusto ko
One
na.
of the gate?
Be, babay na tayo.
Bakit?
Tama na. Saan, be?
Makukurap na. Ayun lang. Wait, I want to see this for my memory. This is Pinoval. Di na naman alam eh. Ako na nga. Parang Pinoval.
Pinoval smells bad.
Yeah. You know, I used to be so intimidated by Pinoval.
Yeah.
Akala ko like may magsusnatch gano'n.
Diba? Uy, gusto natin.
Ghoste. 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 Okay, I will stop. Baka makorrupt. This is the dog.
Pwede siyang buhatin, diba?
Baboy, anim na yung sisig.
How about the other one? Yoso, yoso. Wait, we have children.
Yan si Snow, yan si Bell.
Hi,
Ben!
Ben!
Snow,
Bango!
Bell.
Kaya naganto rin yung aso ko kapag.
Naguligo.
This was my food. Anong subject mo? You picture this.
I will. Wala akong makita.
Why?
Wala di tayo kita dyan.
Akin na nga.
Kita mo ako dyan.
Ay, you go there.
It's not recording.
It's recording. Say hi. Ay, wait.
Akin na. Akin na dito. Kaso ang pangat ang buhay. 1, 2, 3.
Right na upload.
Na-video ko kaya kayo kanina. Ha?
Say hi.
Hi. Sige,
Bye-bye, love you, love you.
Bye-bye, madam. Bye-bye. Ingat. Good luck. This is the main building. Hey. They reflect. Here's the USD sign. Yeah. Hi. Anyway. It's the last day of CFAD week preparations, and I really hope everything pays off. Hey.